Hello everyone, my name is Gautam Hari. In today's session, I'll be showing you how to create an EFS file system and attach it with EC2 instances. Now, what is an elastic file system? It is a highly available file system in AWS Cloud which uses NFS protocol to share files to Linux systems running anywhere. So, let's launch an instance first. I'll keep the Amazon Linux as my AMI 2023 variant. T2 micro as my instance type. Keeper, I will use the available keeper. Now, subnet, you need to, I'm keeping the AP South 1A availability zone as my subnet. Firewall, I'll be keeping the existing security group. And in the advanced details, I'll be entering the user data. I've pasted the user data. Once you review your settings, you can leave all the other options as default and launch your instance. As this instance status check is getting complete, I will launch another instance, but from a different availability zone. I will keep the Amazon Linux as the AMI 2023 variant. Instance type will be T2 micro. Keeper, I will be using the available keeper. But in the subnet section, I will be selecting the AP South 1B availability zone. I will enter the user data. I have entered the user data, so I launched the instance now. I will wait till the instance number 2 status check is completed. Once both the instances are running, that status check has been completed. Now we will create an elastic file system. So go to the search button and type EFS. We will create the file system. Give it any of a unique name because it is universally applicable. So once you have given the name, you will create the file system. As the file system is created, now we need to create a security group with NFS allowed in the inbound rules because EFS works in tandem with NFS protocol. So I will go to the security groups and I will create a new security group. So let's name the group as security group. I will copy this and paste it in the description also. Now, this is where you will add your inbound rules. So I'll add NFS. Once the rule has been added, I will create the security group. After the security group has been created, now I will map this security group to the EFS file system. I'll click the file system name and I'll go to the network settings. See, these are all the available mount targets. So I'll first press manage. As I have instances only in 1A and 1B, I will remove the other mount targets except 1A and 1B. And I will remove the default security groups and include the security group that we had created. As you can see here, its name is Sincere EFS Security Group. So I will include this. I will do it for the both the instances in different availability zones. Exclude the default and include the custom made security group. Once this is done, I will save. As this is done, now I will log in to both the instances. I will connect to the first instance. via EC2 Instance Connect. So this will be my first instance, as you can see its name, and I will launch the second instance as well via EC2 Instance Connect. So this is my second instance. So now, as that I have launched both the instances, I'll go to the EFS and attach and copy the mount command that has been provided. As you can see, there are two mount commands that has been provided. One is if you are using the EFS mount, and another is if you are using the NFS client mount. So I'll be copy pasting this mount command in both the instances. I have pasted it in the first instance. Now I'll paste it in the second instance also. Now before I press enter, I had made some small changes. If you see in the mount command, the last section of it reads EFS. Now I have changed this last section into /var/ww/html because this is the default path of the website content that I'm going to enter. So after this is done, I will press enter in both the instances. Once I have entered this, once I have mounted the shared directory on both Linux instances, now I will place the website in, let's say, Linux number 2. Now, once this is done, I can go and check if the website has been created or not. I just copy the public address and paste. So, as you can see, I had pasted the website in web server 2, but if I open the web server 1 also, I will be getting the same website open. So after this step is completed, now you would want to complete your cleanup steps. So what I will do is cut these two Linux instances and terminate both the instances. As these two instances are getting terminated, I will go to the EFS file systems and delete this file system. You have to copy paste this ID below. Now these mount targets are getting deleted. As you can see, the file system is deleted. So just recheck all the things that you would want to do the cleanup stuff. So that was for today's class. Thank you.